What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys 3 variations of a bull flag. Class will be in session, so I need you guys to make sure you take some notes and make sure you knock it out the park tomorrow when you see this and or anytime you see this in your future trades, okay? Listen to this, guys. If you made money today, let me know down in the comments below. Also, please make sure you like, subscribe, help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. I'm kicking it off loving on the family, guys. This one was from my peoples, man. Lavelle. See profit, take profit is what this is titled. It says, hey, coach. I was swinging Tesla calls expiring 7/19. I had bought them last week and I DCA'd every time the price held at support. I love this, guys. This is a case study that I want all of you guys to take heed to. Read this twice, watch this twice. I had a game plan. Listen to these words, guys. To exit one at 187. I did just that last week and held 2 more calls. She let her runners run. Follow this, guys. I waited for the 181, 182 support level to hold, and I bought a 3rd call again. My price target was 200, but I knew, like you always tell us, the trick, trap, and frustrate crew won't let it go up in a straight line. So I looked for the price to break 187 again, and it did not, but subsequently made a higher low. And then finally yesterday, I saw it was about to close above 187. So I held my calls. So one at 192, the second at 194, and was all out by 197.50. Guys, this is anatomy of how you really supposed to trade, how you really supposed to take profit, okay? This is next level. I'm now going to wait for this ticker to pull back, and then guess what, guys? Rinse and repeat. Thanks for the guidance, coach. No, I thank you. I want to thank you for a job well done. I told you guys a while ago, I said Tesla on this pullback when everybody was doing, I said it's going to 197. Again, guys, it's hard to sometimes stick through the process and trust the teachers when you're new. So I always want you guys to give yourself grace on this journey, understanding I'm not going to lead you astray. I'm in the place with you too. So that's why it matters to me more for myself, because I'm trying to win, but I care more about seeing you. And I've been doing this a long time, okay? But some of you guys are new. Some of you guys are 1 or 2 years in. So some of this is going to take you the lessons you're going to have to learn to really trust the process and trust the daily teachings, okay? I told you guys, and I couldn't be more proud, that Tesla was going to go to 197. And sure enough, it did when it was at 160, 170, and when it didn't look like that was a possibility because of the negative news, the negative sentiment, all the stuff they were saying on Wall Street. But guys, when you trust the process, when you trust your technicals, when you trust your teaching, and you have time on your side, it'll get there. This was a great example of how to be surgical. This was a great example on execution, guys. I want to say major salute to those of you that did your thing today. And if you made money with Tesla, remembering I made a whole video on this, okay? Laid it out for you guys, showed you what I saw playing out. If you remember that, make sure you show some love, guys. Listen, today I'm going to teach you 3 variations of a bull flag. So class will be in session. Take some notes on this, guys, and catch this next time you see it. Catch this if you see it tomorrow or any play you play, okay? Or just in your future trades. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, this lesson, I'm using a 15-minute time frame, okay? I'm using a time frame and I'm highlighting Tesla for this example, but I want you to look for this on any chart you use, okay? This is one example of a bull flag, okay? Sometimes it will look like that. You have the pole right there. That's what we call the pole. Okay, that will be that right there. And then you have the trading sideways, okay? We call that consolidation. All right. And then that leads to a move up like this, okay? That is one variation of a bull flag, okay? We want to make sure you guys understand all of this so you don't get tripped up when Wall Street hit you with what I'm about to show you next. And then I'm going to show you all of these on the chart so that you guys can see firsthand what it looks like. Okay, watch this twice if you need to. I keep a clean chart so these illustrations won't stay long. Okay, the next one looks like this. You have the flagpole, and then the flag will come down like this. Okay, here is the pole right there. Let me spell that right. Here is the pole right here. Okay, here's the channel, and then that leads to a move up like that. Okay, these are your 3 variations of a bull flag. Okay, and then the next one will look like this. All right, when you see these things, guys, I need you to hit it out the park. This is called pattern recognition. Okay, this is pattern recognition. This will get you your 100K. All right, you have the pole, and then you'll have it looking like this, like a flag to the upside, and then it's going to continue up. Here's the pole. Okay, here's the channel, this time going up. Okay, and then boom, long as it don't break the trend line, it's going to go higher. All right, now look at this and look at all 3 of those examples. Okay, this is life-changing information for free that you guys are getting. All right, now look at all of these examples. Let's start with this one right here. Flagpole, come down, boom, shoot up. Let me know you guys see that. Look at this one. Flagpole, up a little bit, boom. And then look at this one. Flag to the side, and then boom. Let me know you guys see that. Okay, those are 1, 2, 3 variations of a bull flag right there. Listen, guys, I'm hoping now when you see this, okay, you need to know you got to trust the process. You got to trust and anticipate what pattern are they trying to make, coach? What are they trying to do? What is Wall Street trying to do? Where are they going with this? All right, sometimes when it pulls back, you guys need to know and understand when you need to hop in a put, or when something is pulling back like a rubber band only to go higher. That's what a bull flag is essentially. Okay, now look at this. Let's get back in here real quick before I get you guys up out of here. Clean this up. All right, now look at this. All right, this is why you need to make sure you have VWAP on your chart. Look at this pole, but look at how it held VWAP. This red line equals VWAP. Okay, VWAP. It held this, so none of these moves broke this line right here. And then boom, went up. Look at this, came back, guess what, to that line again. And then boom, all of these are flags. I don't care how you cut it. Okay, you can call it one big flag like that. All right, but when you can understand and spot these, they're all over the charts. Okay, they're all over the charts. This flag led to that, that flag led to that. Look at this, it's true in reverse too. Look at this flag right here, boom. Look at this flag right there, boom. Okay, so again, guys, the flags are something you don't want to overlook, but you want to anticipate. When you are in a bull market, you're going to see plays no matter what. After they get done going down, they're going up higher. That's the point of a bull market. So you need to look for support levels, look for flags around key critical levels in your chart, because it's really trying to go back to the upside. Okay, when you do puts, you got to be quick. A put in a bull market, you have to be a sniper. A put in a bear market, you let it ride. So we're letting our calls ride. We're letting bear flags and calls ride because we're in a bull market. Okay, these plays are going to go up. So when it pulls back, I always say when there's blood in the streets, it's time to eat. When it pulls back, you need to understand that that pullback is just your opportunity to get in. Okay, you need to look at it as such. All right, and when you begin to do that, you're going to see and understand, you know what, I'm waiting for the pullback because I know I got a big play that awaits me if I'm patient. That's what the game comes down to. Being patient, having a 50,000 foot view of what you think gonna happen. I told you guys days ago that Tesla was gonna go to 197. Okay, it hit that today, closed at 196. I love to see it. It's life-changing money. People always ask me, what play you got for us next, coach? Or I need to double this money, coach. These videos are here every day, already laying it out for you guys where these plays are going. Watch them 2 or 3 times if you need to. Listen intently, because I'm dropping nuggets within each and every video. We not on here wasting time. We not on here talking about relationships, guys. I'm changing lives. Point blank, period, okay? It's too important for me to make sure you guys learn this, all right? And so with that being said, man, I just want to show you 3 variations of a bull flag, okay? And how you take advantage of them. Don't let them trick you out of a big time play, okay? Now check this out, guys. We got Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, sitting at 194 at the time. It is up almost 5% on the day. Was up even higher throughout the day at 197, like we told you it would be. That was our price target for this, okay? And so again, look for Tesla to do exactly what I said. When it come back down, listen to the video. I tell you the strike price. I tell you the price is going to where we get in at and where you are to lock in profit at. Once again, major salute to everybody did that. So when this pulls back, now that it hit our target, okay, it might replay. We gonna rinse and repeat. So next time it come down to 168, 150, when I tell you, man, it's going to 207, it's going to 187. When I say that, I want you guys to be locked, loaded, and ready to go, okay? Same with this one. Look at this one. Nvidia today woke back up and then fell back down. It was up at 128, 129 earlier, and then fell down, but still closed up slightly positive on the day. Not much to write home about. They went up to 128. They came down all day back to 124, but guess what? They're above 123. The 122 and 120 level is support. As long as we above that, you guys want to remain bullish. We're going to still try to go back to the upside. If we lose 120, you guys got to know we're coming to 115. That opens the door for that, but you don't just front run and make any hasty decisions with that, okay? Understand that. And then look at this one. Apple ran crazy today. Shout out to the money team. We got this at 207 this week. It ran up Monday. It ran up again today to 214. It closed at 212. Okay, this is interesting. Look at this double top, though, that it made. All right. The double top could be a signal that it's coming back down, and it's a bear flag that it's also making too. All right, so we completed our move, but you don't front run anything, because if 212 or 210 hold, guess what? We gonna make a triple top. All right, but if 210 fails, then guess what? We're coming back down to 207, then 204. All right, I'll guide you guys through these home runs, but guys, when you put in the time, you can begin to see and anticipate these things even before they happen. If this, then that. If this, then that. Always have a scenario you believe will play out, and then have your money ready. Meaning, don't go all in with all your money. You need some money on the sidelines to take advantage of where you think it's going. And then if you find out it did the opposite of what you thought, you need some money to take it in the direction that actually went. All right. If this, then that. Listen, guys, hopefully today's lesson was helpful. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, but if you consider the journey, do me a favor. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.